In this session, we are going to learn about male reproductive system of rabbit. This is very important question. In our last session, we have learnt about different organ system of rabbit. Now we'll see the male reproductive system of rabbit. It mainly consists of a pair of testes, and these testes are covered by a sac-like structure called scrotal sac. Now we'll see the cross section of testes. This picture shows the cross section of testes. The testes consist of many lobules. These are the lobules. Each lobules are made up of tubular-like structure called seminiferous tubule. These seminiferal tubules are made up of Leydig and Sertoli cells. These cells synthesize the spermatozoa. Once it is synthesized and it is transported to the epididymis. Epididymis, it is a part which is used to store the spermatozoa. And then it is transported to the vas deferens. Vas deferens, it is a duct which arises from the epididymis and ends with the urethra. This is the testis and this is the epididymis. Epididymis leads into a vas deferens. Vas deferens enters into the urinary bladder and joins with the urethra. Urethra passes into the penis. There are three accessory glands. One is prostate glands, Cowper's glands, and perineal glands. These glands secrete ejaculatory fluid, which nourishes and protects the sperm. Once the spermatozoa synthesized in testis, it is transported to the epididymis and then it is transported to the urethra through vas deferens. This is the vas deferens transfers the spermatozoa to the urethra. The urethra runs into the prostate glands where the spermatozoa mixes with the ejaculatory fluids. During the ejaculation, the prostate gland squeezes out the fluid and the fluid passes through the penis. That's all about the male reproductive system of